But definitely when me I eat my woman, man, I straight hot and spicy barbecue are original, so she can't left me no time.
Alright people, what one? So I get ready for go up on the road now, right? Today what I go up on the road go do is more go find out from the male them what them would do if them have them good woman and thing and a man come in a relationship and end up start perform oral sex on them woman and them thing and them woman end up love off the thing if them willing to start give up the woman oral sex in order to keep her. You know what I mean? You know like we reached me in Jamaica the other day, check out the little clip and then when you come back, we're gonna dip on the road.
You know Joe?
No.
No, you have a guy named Joe, a TV with that one. I'm going to be real with you. You see the boy named Joe Grind? That boy invade my premises. And me have never have no problem with him because me did have my thing, but they move in with him friend when named Horal. And when Horal come involved in the thing, me lose my baby mother. So basically,
You got bun?
yeah, not the bun. They get the whole bakery, patty, cocoa bread, tutti fruit, plantain tart, bun and cheese. Me have Easter every day. When she throw the bakery for me, General, you know, I was baked.
Every woman in Jamaica, I get them kitty eating, right? But yet still no one in Jamaica don't eat kitty. How that much story? We don't know enough. So we're going to the streets to find out.
Right, there's something.
Talk to me first, so what you say? You willing to taste the buff?
He won't taste the buff, but the buff not to know how the buff. I have to
buff,
tell
man,
now.
Man, you gotta skin out the
Pussy
pussy.
do that still,
You know, we don't have no money for give, man.
What you say?
We don't have no money for give if you don't taste the
Won't do
buff.
that, man.
You have to tell us say you taste
Please,
the
no,
buff.
man.
You have to tell us say you taste the buff, man.
Please, no, man.
I see my boy I give him money. See me I give him money, I keep going. So start with your name.
Shaman.
Let's start with the name.
I'm Dylan.
Alright, my general. I could start with the name.
Power cat.
What name?
Power cat.
Power Cat.
Yeah.
Alright, so I could start with the name.
Yeah man, I mean here, Omar otherwise known as Munchi. So they call me Lightning Tongue Munchi, represent in a Spanish town. Yeah.
Alright, so I could start with the name.
Yeah, man, my name DJ Spengusi, you know.
Start with the name.
Straight up, my name straight up a dancer, big old dancer from Jamaica. Boom blast, world dancer, whole world know Jamaica represent evermore Jamaica dancer, only in a life Jamaica dancer, straight.
Yeah, straight up. Straight up. Yeah. So what's your name?
Food change. For the girl them. Mellow titty, she have a mellow titty. Come follow me. Mellow titty, she have a mellow titty. When me check out for her finger, she have the cock body.
Alright, so I can start with the name.
I DJ Stammer.
You say I DJ.
Yeah, play a song.
I can start with the name.
Yeah, man, my name is Lavish Boss, you know. Known as Lavish Boss. Grew up in Church Pen, Seabury.
So, let's say you have your girlfriend, right? You and her go for a good period of time, right? And she end up start cheat, right? And she said, boy, you have to go start performing oral sex for keep her. You willing to do that for keep her?
No comments.
Something alright.
Hold on. Wait a second, repeat.
No comments.
If you're there with a girl, right, you have your girlfriend and you and her go good on thing and a man come into a relationship and she end up start cheat, right, and him start perform all oral sex on her and she lie them thing there, you're willing to give her oral sex for keep her?
2 hours later.
Well, no.
Alright, cool, so no performing of oral sex then. You're against oral sex.
For me, if you're married, or in a bedroom, stay in a bedroom because everything your wife. If whatever she want.
Don't do that.
If you're there with a woman for a certain period of time and she decides, say, boy, she want to try something new, right? And she says she going to leave if you don't start the oral sex. You willing to do that for keep her?
No.
You not do that?
No.
Why not?
And about cat.
Where there with the cat is in? Yeah, and she tell us, say, boy, she want to start eat all the thing and them thing there.
Tonight she have to find herself some other guys. Because that is very contrary. There's some guys with some undescribable stomach. If she can find them, she will be a happy woman.
So you wouldn't do it?
No, she have to find herself some other guys.
So you wouldn't taste the buff?
No eating or tasting of the buff.
If you do with a woman for a period of time and she decides, say, boy, she want to try something new in the relationship and she say, boy, she want some oral sex, you willing to do that?
Yeah, she can't suck, you know. But me not suck it for nothing.
She not eat it for free?
I eat it for free. I'm not telling a lie, man. Me look at me, I'm not telling a lie. No lie. General, come for she can eat, man. But me not have milk roll one, them, you know. You have to have young, sweet, green pussy.
The whole of women them in Jamaica, they must say they must get them kitty eating and them things there. But no man in Jamaica no eat pum pum, so I don't understand how that go. What on?
When I eat that, the straight up a dance and up top, empire dance, I play dance and more, because they are the straight ass and the straight dance and straight up in Jamaica, straight up in our life, and I eat and I go down low, stay up,
straight
up.
Alright, so if you have your woman and you're there for a period of time and she wants some new thing in the sex life and she say if you eat the kitty, you not eat it?
Nah, eat it.
You not eat it?
No, she just work with some new sex, some different kind of design, and different kind of position, be a different position in her life.
Show some position where you
see that?
Straight. Be a different straight up. If you have a girlfriend, right, who not go for years and thing, and she decides the boy she want to try something new to the relationship and she introduce oral sex, would you be willing to give her oral sex?
Not at all. Not at all. Why? Because that's not in our culture for one as Jamaican. So we have to leave some things for certain people while we live a certain lifestyle we benefit we and people that we grow with and morals what we grow with and integrity which have a lot to do with it. You see, pray.
You're there with your catty for a year, you see me? For a long period of time you and her talk and thing and she starts a boy she want to try some new things, you know what I mean? Introduce oral sex to the sex life. You're willing for the oral sex to keep her?
I'm gonna like what kind of oral sex?
Oral sex man like eat the kitty.
No, bossy. Nah, go eat it, bossy. I tell you this too. Nah, go eat it.
So you not eat it, you not taste it either to see if you like it?
No, sir. Never taste it. If she want to eat, man, not have your business. But me not go eat it, man.
So you have kitty for she eat?
No, boss, I'm not kitty fish eat. That's something I Frank, me have to eat.
You're there with the cat, you see? You know, go on for a good while and thing and she start give you bun. You know what I mean? And bring in all oral in the relationship and the man end up eat with your woman from you. You're willing to eat her back for keep her?
I know saying in my whole situation a man can't really do me that still because he's a professional.
That's what I'm talking about.
But definitely when I eat my woman, man, I straight hot and spicy barbecue are original, so she can't left me no time.
Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad.
You know, like when them a look about straw peas, give people that a long time days there, and then say straw peas tie there, somebody there, me just use my tongue and tie them.
Yeah, your nickname what again?
Lightning tongue munchie, straight up in a Spanish town, represent. You don't know, so everybody know me, you know, because I go all the world tour all over my name there, you know. When me come out to talk up the good things, then I talk up the good things, then I have girl, lady and girl.
Alright, explain that.
So during when you did ask me a little while about the whole situation, if a man eat with a woman, if mother eat her back. Listen to me, I say, girl a girl. You understand what I say? So you see during like a girl now gonna make certain things reach her. A lady now gonna make certain things reach her. A girl would have more have to make things reach them. But me not go girl level. Me done with mackerel.
When you say done with mackerel, I mean mackerel as in the mackerel food that you eat are literally mackerel.
I have a video where I go around with me and mackerel.
What kind of video that? Because I don't know about the video. What kind of video?
Me they go to a birthday night party and me just represent myself eating her for her birthday. You know what she said?
So you eat out the whole of cake?
Me say yo, me eat out the whole of mackerel, lick out all the mackerel thing.
You don't come from planet Earth.
But Jesus, so with the last brother they say, hey, me never know, say so much freaky when they are Jamaican. Hey, the man say when him deal with it, a straight hot and spicy barbecue and original and yeah, the man a deal with it grimy that me no know so them man a freaky, but Anyway, uno still there, so just left some like, leave some comment, and the whole of them thing there. Support the thing, thank you for there, all who there from day one, and the people them who just come to the team. Thank you the same way. For the people them who there in the video, do me a beg you remember for screen record, phone apart, and send it to your family, your friend them, make them post it on them Instagram, them WhatsApp, all both. Copy the link and share the link and them thing there so everybody can watch it and say you see it. And for the people them who down there in the video, screen record, phone your favorite part of the video and post it on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp status all about and share the link, share the love, you see it. Remember for subscribe, comment and like.